Welcome to 60 Seconds with the Allen Firm. We have Jeremy Derington, lead attorney and COO for our firm, back on. And hey, Jeremy, thanks for making time today.
Sure. Thanks, Josh.
So we're trying to figure out what is a probate and when do I need it? That's a question we get a lot and you get a lot as well. So can you speak on that?
Sure, absolutely. And so a probate, when we refer to probate, we're talking about the process of the court reviewing somebody's will after their death and determining, making certain rulings and determinations about what's going to happen with that person's property. And so the court will look at the will and say, yes, it is a valid will. Talk to the executor, make sure that the executor is fit to serve in that capacity, and then we'll authorize that executor to take control of the deceased person's property, determine if there are any debts, make sure that those are paid, and make sure that that property gets to the beneficiaries. And we usually want to probate a will when there's property that needs to be administered. And that means that property didn't pass through a trust or through a contract or something like that. So if you've got your property covered by a transfer on death deed, beneficiaries on your accounts, life insurance, beneficiary designations, retirement plans, those kind of things, then maybe we don't have to probate that will. But when there is property that's not covered by those type of things, not passing to the beneficiaries outside of probate, that's when we'd go to court and we'd ask the court to admit the will to probate and appoint an executor to wrap up those affairs.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. So typically there's maybe some other alternatives, but people can just call and kind of discuss that out and then make a decision at that time.
Absolutely. It's always worth giving us a call, talking through the situation, whether there's a will, whether there's outstanding debts, those kind of things, and we can guide you in the right direction.
Okay. That's great. Thank you, Jeremy. Really appreciate it.